Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
हाय, मैं हूँ आरजे रुचि, रंगीली रुचि, फीवर 104 एफएम मुंबई से एंड वूहू, दिस इज सो नाइस. कियारा, you look so good, yeah. Welcome to the show, yeah. How are you feeling?
Thank you. I'm feeling lovely hearing your voice. Your energy is just made the mood for the moment.
अरे अब मेरी एनर्जी तो यहाँ पर निकलना बनता ही है बिकॉज आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम मुझे कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा चेहरे देखने का मौका मिल रहा है जो कि घर पर बैठे हुए हो नहीं रहा है. स्पेशली फॉर अस रेडियो जॉकीज, वी वर सो यूज्ड टू हैविंग ऑल यू लवली पीपल, यू नो. हमारे स्टूडियोज में आते थे, नाच गाना होता था, हंसी मजाक होता था, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन देयर इज सच अ बिग लल इन आवर लाइफ. सो इट इज ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू सी यू अगेन.
And likewise, and I think you've done a wonderful job. I can see you've created your studio at home. It's pretty cool. So that's great.
We are all learning, right? You are also sitting in a corner, लेकिन फिर भी तैयार होकर के बैठना पड़ा है प्रमोशंस के लिए. मैं जानती हूँ आपका कितना मन कर रहा होगा कि पजामा टी शर्ट में ये सारे प्रमोशंस खत्म हो जाए.
Actually, no, yeah. मुझे मन कर रहा था कि I could have been in pajamas and chilled and had a chill chat with you, which we will have. Yeah. But I felt like थोड़ा सज धज के नहीं तो कितना हम लोग pajamas पहन. Yeah, why not?
So it's so nice कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे के लिए तैयार हुए हैं आज.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you know, now that we are here to talk about your upcoming film, which looks so good and so promising, plus you know, घर पे बैठे हुए, now that we are watching everything on OTT platforms, एवरी डे हम लोग इंतजार करते हैं कि कुछ तो नया आएगा, कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा, वो कुछ यू नो एक्साइटिंग चीज आएगी. एंड दिस इज शेरशाह. ये फिल्म है जिसको लेकर के हर इंसान एक्साइटेड है, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? अब इतनी पास आ गई है फिल्म की रिलीज डेट.
वेरी एक्साइटेड. नर्वसनेस, बटरफ्लाइज तो नॉर्मल प्री रिलीज के टाइम जो होती है, दैट्स ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी देयर. But very, very excited because we've been waiting for this moment for 2 years during the pandemic. हमारी फिल्म तो 2 साल पहले we were hoping to release it, and then we, you know, unfortunately the world went on to a standstill.
Yeah.
Now finally ये दिन आने वाला है. I think just for that we're very excited कि finally लोग ये फिल्म देखेंगे. And the trailer has got such a fantastic response. It's overwhelming. So we're just excited to see now how the film is.
So ये 2 साल के पहले आपने फिल्म बनाई थी. What all were you up to 2 years back? My God, you must have had a really busy life. 2 साल पहले तो bang on आपकी फिल्म्स आ रही थी, back to back कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा था. So क्या क्या चल रहा था 2 साल पहले? And all of a sudden there must have been, जैसा आपने कहा, जिंदगी stand still पे चली गई थी.
I mean, I feel like, honestly, I still feel grateful because in these 2 years, it's taught us that the best attitude is gratitude. So I still feel grateful that all of us have, you know, still managed and adapted to it, whether it's through these video calls and however else we could manage. We've managed to still make life go on, have work go on in its own way and adapted to it. लेकिन of course, जैसे आप भी मिस कर रहे हो अपने स्टूडियोज को, हम भी मिस कर रहे थे हमारे फिल्म सेट्स को. जब गवर्नमेंट ने परमिशन दिया तब हम शूट करते थे, and then we go back and wait. So as actors, it was always, मुझे याद है, I had shot for a film just before the pandemic. Then the pandemic happened. Then 3-4 months we didn't shoot. Then again we got a few months where things opened. Then we went back into character. So ऐसा लगता है कि we have to, you know, it's such long gaps between a character can be very difficult. So to get back into that zone. Fortunately, Shershaah was a film that we all completed before the pandemic.
Yeah.
So we had that time to get the film ready. There was a lot of post work on the film because it's, you know, there's so much action in the film. So all that, I think that gave the team enough time to prepare it for the audience.
तो इस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं. वैसे तो हम सब जानते हैं कि ये किन के ऊपर फिल्म बनी है और किस तरह से all of us owe, you know, our freedom to him. लेकिन आपसे मैं जानना चाहूंगी, for our listeners actually, थोड़ा सा एक जिस्ट बताइए फिल्म का, for people, you know, who have perhaps not seen the whole trailer या फिर ज्यादा जानते नहीं है फिल्म के बारे में. शेरशाह किसे बुलाया जा रहा है फिल्म में?
Shershaah was a title given to Captain Vikram Batra, who was our Kargil war hero.
Yes.
And it was his spirit and his josh amongst many other martyrs of the Kargil war, that made India win that war. And today, if we are living the way we are and we have this freedom, and we, of course, owe a lot to our men and women who fight at the borders. So it's a homage to Captain Vikram Batra. And he was only all of 24 years old when he went to fight the war. He, like any other man, had many dreams, aspirations, but his one big love was for the country. And he went on to fight the war. In this beautiful film, there is a wonderful story of him and his girlfriend, Dimple Chima, who till today, whose love story, and that's what really touched me, was one that went beyond a lifetime.
Yeah.
She till today chose to live in the memories of of their love and his love, and she chooses to live unmarried because he was the only love of her life. So you can imagine that in those 4 years of dating each other, what must their relationship have been for her to feel so strongly about that relationship. So she is definitely the strongest breed of women I know. And to Captain Vikram Batra, for Dimple Chima, for the family, and for the Indian Army, this is a film that's very special to all of us associated with the film. And we are very excited to be sharing it with the generation who is very young, or the generations to come, and those who have also lived and been a part of during the 90s and the time of the Kargil War. So it's a film that we really hope will touch your lives the way it's touched all of us.
So did you connect with her? क्या
Yeah.
आपने कैसे हुआ, क्या रहा आपका उनके साथ, मुलाकात कैसी रही?
हम चंडीगढ़ में मिले थे. That's where she lives. She's a teacher in Chandigarh now. She met with me much before I shot for the film. मैं बस उनसे मिलना चाह रही थी, and I just wanted to hear from her about her relationship with Captain Vikram Batra, और जो भी वो शेयर करना चाह रही थी. I didn't want to ask too many questions. Although मेरे दिमाग में there were many questions, and I was like, should I ask her? But she was so warm and wonderful कि मुझे पूछने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी. She was talking to me and sharing with me all their memories, all their experiences, letters that they would write to each other. वो कैसे थे, उनके college के दिन कैसे थे, the conflicts that one has when in a relationship, especially with somebody who is serving the country. Jesse, any family would be protective. Her family was protective of her. Ki, are you sure? Is this the man for you? Is this? And how she supported him in his dreams, even though they had dreams of getting married and being together. And all their moments, jahan pe wo milte the, and all of these beautiful incidents and events in their life have been captured in the film. So, ab jo bhi dekhoge, it's all very real. We've even shot it at very real locations.
Yeah.
And we try to be as honest and as true to their real story. And I think for me, just hearing her speak with such fondness in her eyes and so much pride and joy when she would talk about him, there was so much nostalgia. And there was also that, that the anxiety of understanding how one would feel when they know that their loved one has gone to perform his duties. वो एक घबराहट होती है, because you don't know which is the next time you're going to meet each other. You're hopeful, but you are with someone who has a very high risk job. So it takes a lot of strength to be strong in that moment, and to, you still feel proud, but I think they probably, every time the person goes, you have that insecurity in your heart. And just hearing from her, their whole story, वो भावना को समझ के, I just wanted to play it as honestly as I could.
आप मुझे इस लव स्टोरी के बारे में बता रही हैं, and that in itself is giving me goosebumps. Legit. I mean, I was like really shrugging my shoulders कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कोई इंसान पूरी जिंदगी अपनी एक इंसान के प्यार के लिए, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि न्यौछावर कर दे, लेकिन फिर भी she has spent her life loving that one person, and as you said, he was all of 24 years of age. But आज की तारीख की अगर हम बात करें, आप कह रहे हैं कि ये रियल लव स्टोरी है, लेकिन इस जनरेशन में ये बहुत अनरियल नहीं लगता, दिस आइडिया ऑफ लव? जैसे फास्ट फैशन होता है जिससे हम भागने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वैसे ही फास्ट लव भी हो गया है आज की तारीख में. जिस तरह से हम कपड़े चेंज करते हैं, उसी तरह से हम पार्टनर्स भी चेंज करते हैं. इट इज द हार्ड फैक्ट. डू यू थिंक ऐसा प्यार आज की तारीख में एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think it's also a very personal choice. It's not that you need to be firstly so strong in love and to fall in love with someone who makes you feel that way. So I'm sure that's how she felt, or anyone who's probably sacrificed so much for their love. It speaks volumes of the love that they've had. So I would hope that we'd all feel that way with whoever, whenever one is in love. But what I really value in this, and what it's taught me when I would speak to Dimple, and when I would, be reading our scenes or watching the film, I felt like one thing that we take for granted today is communication. You break up over a text message, or like, we're lucky today we have video calls and we have, different modes through which we can communicate with each other. Lekin us samay, in the 90s, when trunk calls and letters were your only means to communicate with each other. And even today, I'm sure, because you're in terrains which are close to the border, which are difficult to get signal and network and communication. I think they still write letters to each other, and that's how communication takes place. Also, to be in love with somebody, or to be in a relationship, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever kind, even family, any kind of relationship with someone who's serving the country, your communication is very different. हम phone करके ये नहीं पूछ सकते हैं कि आज दिन कैसा गया, flight land हुई या नहीं, where did you eat, what did you do? There's protocol, right?
Minute to minute updates जैसे अभी चलते हैं आजकल, वो नहीं हो सकते.
और आप उनके काम के बारे में आप पूछ भी नहीं सकते. True. So there's a part of their life which is, of course, that's their duty. So you're supporting their duty as well by respecting that privacy, that that you have that protocol that you have to keep. And you never know कि वो next, like I remember Dimple telling me कि मैं 15-20 चिट्ठियां मैं भेजती थी, और फिर I would wait कि वो एक चिट्ठी वापस आए. At least मुझे पता है कि he's fine and he's doing well, and he's read my letters. I would not even know till I got that one letter. So I think that for granted हम जो लेते हैं आज, I don't think they could at that time, and I don't think you can when you're in a relationship with someone who's serving the country. And that was really beautiful. That really made me think that kind of support, it's very selfless, and it takes a very strong woman to or man to have that kind of support for one another. So I really salute those love stories. I feel it's definitely opened my eyes up to a whole new respect for it.
Yeah, and I think आज की generation को all the more ये film देखनी चाहिए to understand कि प्यार ऐसा भी हो सकता है और होना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं? We are all
it's
alive for love.
It's definitely a part of the story that will hopefully inspire. But I feel like the film itself is so inspirational. Like Captain Vikram Batra is so at 24 he was probably the most charming. कि अगर वो वैसे he's a real hero.
Yeah.
But if it was not for the army, he would have definitely been a Hindi film hero.
Oh,
कुछ है वो जज्बा है, and they really, I mean, at that time, like his brother Vishal Batra would tell us that they really grew up on Hindi films. Like he used to love watching Hindi films. So जब आप film भी देखोगे, और I'm sure even in the trailer you'll probably see a lot of things, dialogues जो काफी filmy sound करते हैं.
Right.
It's spoken so real, but those are his true lines, those are his words. And those are things he actually did. चाहे वो अपने cutting his thumb with a blade and filling her mouth with his blood.
Yeah, so filmy.
आजकल तो लगता है कि यार ये तो बड़ा फिल्मी है, और वो भी कहती थी, even she would tell me, she said ये पूरा फिल्मी है, मतलब मैंने कितना फिल्मी बंदा मिला है. That's how he was a full filmy बंदा, which is so charming, and I think that Josh, that spirit is what is so inspiring when you see it, when you see the film and when you know of his story. That's how he was with his comrades, that's how he was at war. And for them now it's so normal, like to say, even when you meet an army officer, like it's so normal for him to say that we'll all our time will also come, hamari bullet bhi aa jayegi. But they say for everybody else it's like, no, don't say that, you don't want that to be true. But for them it's so normal, the way they are so courageous to sacrifice their life for the country and for all of us. I think it's this film is a homage to all of them.
But as a lover of Bollywood films, Kargil as a subject, काफी बार कवर किया जा चुका है, ब्रिलियंटली कवर किया जा चुका है, और विक्रम बत्रा जी की स्टोरी को भी टच किया गया है. इन दैट केस ये फिल्म किस तरह से आपको लगता है कि कुछ तो अलग होगी?
So I feel this is the first time it's a biopic on Captain Vikram Batra. So we're tracing his life. And when I think you must be referring to LOC Kargil,
right,
being the story, and that is on the Kargil war. So ये आपको उसमें एक झलक तो मिली है of Captain Vikram Batra and his personal life as well. Isme, I think the heart and soul it's the man whose journey we're tracing.
Oh,
and it's
okay.
his spirit, it's his valor, it's his courage, which I feel will inspire the youth of today, because they will definitely be able to identify with him, being of 24 years of age, and to have that kind of courage to go out there and take those decisions and be so focused and so driven. It's a story that I feel a whole generation is waiting to watch.
And you know, एक तरफ हो सकता है being a part of the film, I don't know, I mean, I might be wrong, लेकिन सब लोग वेट कर रहे थे कि थिएटर्स खुल जाए और you know, एक बड़ा रिलीज जो है वो फिल्मों को मिले. But as an audience, as a viewer, I think इससे ज्यादा अच्छा और कुछ हो नहीं सकता है कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक ऐसी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, जैसा कि आप बता रहे हैं कि ये बहुत लोगों को इंस्पायर कर सकती है, because the kind of reach that content is now getting, films are now getting through OTT platform is huge. Absolutely. So I think this is a boon, और सही समय पर सही मीडियम पे ये फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है. So yay to that. Yeah. But let's talk about music now. We are already playing Rata Lambya on my show, and the song is beautiful. Yeah. So, आपका कौन सा favorite song है इस film के album में?
I think the entire album is very soulful. Yeah. Rata Lambya was the first song we shot. We started the film with that song. It was also shot all in real life, real locations where Dimple and Captain Vikram Batra actually met each other, all those places. So it's got a very special memory attached to it. But coming out very soon will be Ranjha, which is another very soulful track. There's then there's Man Bharya, which is a song that I think all of us, every time we hear it, it's like waterworks, because वो गाना ही बहुत खूबसूरत है, और जिस तरीके से बीपराग जी ने ये गाना गाया है in the film, it's taken it to another level. Wow. So I feel all the songs in the film really serve, bring out the emotions and the soul of exactly what is being conveyed to the audience in that moment. So I think we've got a really soulful and beautiful album.
Do you want to sing like 2 lines of Rata Lambya for us?
Yeah, okay, chal. But the only things I don't like, Rata Lambya Lambya ve, kate tere sangiya sangiya ve. Kirata lambiya lambiya ve, kate tere sangiya sangiya ve.
Woohoo! बाकी गाने के लिए
2 words गाए.
But that's okay. बाकी गाना हमारे शो पर है ना.
104.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you know, on 12th of August, we are all looking forward to this film on Amazon Prime Video. That is where it's launching, releasing. And इतना कुछ बताया आपने फिल्म के बारे में, तो वैसे ही feeling आ गई है. I think it's going to be killer. And I hope Fever 104 FM की तरफ से, पूरे के पूरे हमारे रेडियो नेटवर्क की तरफ से आपको ढेर सारी बेस्ट विशेस. काफी इंतजार के बाद ये फिल्म बाहर आ रही है, तो इंतजार का फल होपफुली आपके लिए मीठा हो और खूब सारे रसगुल्ले, गुलाब जामुन और जलेबियां लेकर के आए ये फल. I hope to see you soon, Kiara. Have a great day.
Have a lovely day. Thank you.
You too. Bye-bye. Fever.